me. I'm not controversial, I'm controversial. And today we're going to try a little pub out in the country called the Nightingale. So hello again to another one of my reviews. There's the menu, the main menu. I'm going to go for a meal off the set menu. I'm going to go for a 2-course. There's the starters there. The creamy garlic oven baked mushrooms is the one I'm going for to start with. And then I'm going to have the 8-ounce gammon steak, which comes with 2 eggs, I see. Let's start by having a nice latte just to wake me up a bit today. Nice little piece of flapjack with it as well, nicely presented with a saucer. Got a couple of sugar lumps in there and give it a good stir. You know, I've got a sweet tooth. There's my flapjack. Very nice little surprise, that. £3.75 the latte was. Not a small cup, but it's presented well. And it did get that little piece of cake with it. It's going down well. It's gone. Mr. Controversial's got a bit impatient here. Been waiting a while for the starter. Certainly make yourself noticed, even if that t-shirt hasn't. So here's starter, it has arrived. And there it is, does look nice. 3 pieces of crusty toast with it. That's a good view. So, just about to tuck in. Get a bit of toast, dip the toast in. Toast is dry, it's not buttered. Very saucy garlic cream with it, so yeah, to be fair, don't miss the butter because the sauce is that creamy, it coats the toast well with plenty of flavour. There's a mushroom. Mushroom's very succulent. They're cooked perfectly, lovely and tasty. As you can see, get through it. Plenty of sauce, as you can see. Really is tasty. Lots of flavours coming through the mushroom and the garlic. Almost finished. Yeah, nod of approval there from Mr. Controversial. It's all gone. So it waited quite a while for the main course as well. But there it is. Garden peas in a bowl. Unusual. There's the eggs. The eggs look as if they've been stood a little bit because they look a little hard. Homemade chips. Very brown in colour. Just season them. Some salt and some pepper. Some vinegar. So as you can see, the eggs, yeah, they're not runny at all. It's such a shame. There's the gammon hiding under the eggs, and the gammon does look a good quality gammon steak there. Very thick, looks juicy and succulent. All the peas out. Good helping of peas. There you are. There's the plate with everything on. Let's try a chip. There we are. Like I say, they look quite dark in colour. Well done, but they were quite soft really, and fluffy in the middle. Just cut this one, you'll see. And the chips were quite nice. Ooh, cheeky little dip in the sauce. Why not? There's the peas. Peas got good colour and nice sweet garden peas. Very nice. Let's cut through the gammon now. That's cut nicely. Just a teeny little bit of fat on the outside, but you have a little bit of fat on your gammon. That's nice. Juicy. It's got that change of salt taste in the gammon, but not overpowering. Very nice. Succulent. Just missing a pineapple on this. I do like a pineapple. I'd rather had one less egg and a pineapple with it. And I do like a griddled tom with it, but it's just a set menu they've given. I'm enjoying this. A piece of gammon. Yum, yum. So I'm getting well through this now. So I'll see you outside for a review. Okay, so just had their meal now. The 2-course meal at the Nightingale, which is a few miles outside Worcester on the A44 Evesham bound. Right, price first, £16.50 for 2-course set meal, plus $3.75 for a latte. So with the latte was perfect, beautiful latte. $3.75, yeah, that's the price, I guess. Was a smaller cup than some, but it was a good latte, nice and creamy, and had that undertone coffee taste, which I like. So, yep, full marks for the latte. Onto the starter. Had the garlic mushroom starter. It took a while coming, to be honest truth. We seemed to wait eternity for the starter to come, but when it arrived, it was well worth it. It was perfect. Lovely creamy sauce, succulent mushrooms that were just melted in the mouth, and some toast with it, and it was quite filling. Again, the main course, we waited a while for the main course. I had the gammon. It came. 2 eggs with that gammon, garden peas, and nice homemade chips. The chips were well done, but very fluffy in the inside, so very tasty chips. The gammon, very succulent, nice piece of good quality gammon, which was perfect. The garden peas, lovely and sweet and cooked, nice and tender. And when we got to the eggs, they had been stood a while before they arrived to me, so the eggs were a little on the hard side, which let the side down. No tomato with it. I do like a tomato with it, but that's a choice. You do get the 2 eggs. What do you think? Do you think that they should come with a pineapple as standard, or given the choice? That's one for you to leave on the comments. I do like a ring of pineapple with my gammon. I would have preferred 1 egg and a ring of pineapple instead of 2 eggs, but that's down to choice. So, the whole meal, what do I mark it? Well, the Nightingale, inside it is a lovely pub, lots of lovely features, very traditional, old oak beams. So the environment is lovely, the staff were pleasant, lovely little hideaways to sit in there in private. So the experience in there was first class. Unfortunately, the service just a little bit slow on those meals, and I've got to take it on the day I come. And that service just let the side down on that timing of the meals, and the eggs just a bit on the hard side, sort of knocked a star off it. So if you put that right, they'd get 5 stars, but I'm going to give it 4 stars. Stay tuned for more reviews, and please like and subscribe, and stay safe. Bye for now.